Welcome, today I am with Xiaomi Mi TV 4S and I'll show you how you can cast YouTube video from your smartphone straight to your TV. So at first you have to be sure that you are connected with the Wi-Fi network. So you have to go right here for the settings icon in the right upper corner. As you can see, I'm connected with the HardReset.Info network. And the same, you have to be sure on your Android smartphone that you are connected to Wi-Fi network. And by the way, you have to be connected with the same Wi-Fi network. Just take a look. As you can see, I'm connected with the HardReset.Info on both devices. So when you are sure about that, you can just simply open the YouTube. Just like that. And right now we can find the video. For example, we can play this one from our YouTube channel. And you have to tap on the video, just like that, and select this screencast icon. And right now we have to select your Mi TV. Now just wait. And as you can see, right now we successfully cast. Whoa, let me just pause the video. So as you can see, we successfully cast our screen, our YouTube video to our Mi TV 4S. And that's how we can make it. If you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe.